Are you looking to expand your Amazon business? Are you looking maybe just to get started with it and you're looking for unique, cool ways to be able to drive traffic to your listing? Maybe something you hadn't thought of before, thinking outside the box a little bit? Stick around. We've got a really, really cool hack right here for you, so don't miss it. All right, what's up guys? Kyle here with 9 University. We're bringing a really, really cool video your way today. This is something, honestly, I haven't really seen anybody talking about. I don't think there's a lot of people that have put any kind of content out about this, but I think it's a really underutilized and undervalued hack that can really help you grow your Amazon business. You know, and it really works well for just about anybody. It doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie, we've all been there, and we're all looking for that same thing. At the end of the day, growing a business is tough. Doesn't matter if you're on Amazon or anywhere else. Growing a business is tough. Getting started is extremely tough. So this could be a great way to help, you know, start to drive some traffic to your listing a little bit, maybe get some initial sales going. Or maybe you're an experienced seller and you've been selling for a while and you're just looking for something to add to your repertoire and get new sales and new leads and everything. I think there's something here for everybody, depending on no matter what stage of the game you're at. There is something here for everybody. So we're going to dive right into it and we're going to take a look at it and show you what we're talking about. All right, guys, so I've got all these tabs already kind of pulled up for you because I don't want to waste all of you guys' time. I don't want it to be something where we're waiting for my internet to load and all that. I want it to just be quick fire, rapid fire. Let's get through it. Let's do it. So the topic that we're talking about today is leveraging content creators, specifically talking YouTube. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, every content creator out there, I shouldn't say every one of them, most of them probably are familiar with and have an Amazon Associates account. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Associates, I'm going to tell you what it is really, really quickly, like 30 seconds. Amazon Associates is basically Amazon's affiliate program where you can sign up to become an affiliate of Amazon and basically affiliate market their products to customers. So the idea behind it is you get a unique link that Amazon can track to your account and know that when a when a customer clicks on your link and purchases through that link, Amazon will pay you a small commission for bringing them the customer. So what does that mean here? Well, ultimately, most content creators, most YouTubers like we're talking about right here, are going to have an Amazon Associates account. So they can affiliate market products anytime that they want to. So what I did basically in here, we're just going to assume that your product is a dog product. Let's just say you're selling in the pet category, you're selling some kind of a dog product. Okay. So what I did was literally on the main page of YouTube, I typed in dog products you need. And guys, you could do this through Google. You can do it anywhere you want to. Basically Google, you know, top dog products or best dog products or whatever, and you'll get a ton of, and type in like best dog product YouTube channel or something like that. You'll get a ton of different results of different YouTube channels you can check out that recommend dog products. So what I did was literally just type that in, and then I just went and picked a random video. Like this was like the second or third ranked video on there. And it literally says right in the title, Amazon Dog Haul Best Dog Finds. So you can pretty much rest assured most of these links right here are all going to be directed towards Amazon. So what are these right here? These are this content creator's affiliate links. So anytime that a customer clicks on these, because these are all products that are being recommended in the video by this person. And what you can see is, I mean, they've got 12,000 subscribers. It's not a massive channel. It's probably a growing channel. But look at this, in less than a year, I mean, they've got 90,000 views on this thing. So what I really like about this is this person's getting a ton of views on their video, or at least a pretty fair amount, I would say. And this video is up here forever, basically. So this could be a video somebody could literally view a year and a half from now and still be able to purchase one of these products that this YouTuber is promoting in the video. Okay, so I think you guys probably are starting to see where I'm going with this, but it's a really cool opportunity. So what I did was I just literally pulled up a couple of different products that are on here. So right here, I didn't know what this was when it said what did it say on there? It said peanut butter mat for tub. I'm like, what the heck is a peanut butter mat for tub? So then I looked at it and I'm like, okay, well, that's kind of a clever product. I mean, it's neat. I don't know. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to show you guys, like, you can do some pretty awesome revenues on a lot of, just random products and everything. And I would be willing to bet probably some of these sales are coming from these links right here. So this product right here does 12,500 on a product that costs, just above $10. They're driving some serious sales and some serious traffic to that type of product. Do I recommend something that's that inexpensive? No. I usually recommend something that's going to be at least twice that amount in terms of sale price for it. But that's, totally different topic for a totally different video. Bottom line is this one, I mean, look at that. They're getting over 1,100 sales per month on that type of product. Okay, same thing right here. This was another product. These what are they? De-shedding gloves, or yeah, de-shedding glove. Okay, where do you see this? This is crazy, guys. This is nuts. Look at that, $500,000 each. So they're doing $1 million a month on this product right here because there's 2 different variations of it. I mean, that's insane. That's crazy. Look at that, 32,000 sales. I mean, that's 1,000 sales a day on that product. I mean, absolutely crazy. And, again, these are both, that's the link for the de-shedding glove, that's the link for that peanut butter mat. I'm not saying all these sales came from this one link right here. However, I would be willing to bet probably some of them did come from it. So again, you can start to see, like, this is a cool idea. Now, why does this tactic work and how does it work? Well, first off, YouTubers, bloggers, any of them, I mean, put yourself in your own shoes, I guess, at this point. You probably watch a fair amount of YouTube. You probably read blogs online or listen to podcasts or something like that. And you have your favorites. Same thing with this thing right here. Typically, when somebody watches a YouTube video, a lot of times they trust what that person says. They love listening to what they have to say, and they're going to trust what they say. So a lot of times when they're promoting this type of stuff, and these people know this, like these YouTubers know that they have these big followings. So typically when they're promoting this stuff, they know that they're probably going to get some people that are going to buy it because they trust what they're telling them. Right? So a lot of these links right here, probably a lot of those sales are coming from these because these people trust what this person has to say. So again, put yourself in their shoes. Typically you probably listen to a YouTuber and you enjoy listening to them and you trust what they're telling you. So that's why that part of it's really important. The other part of it is contacting the YouTuber and building that relationship. So how do we go about doing that? Well, typically in the description, which is right here. We pulled it down right there, so we click show more. So normally they're probably going to have an email or some kind of a social media handle that you can message and get a hold of them. This one right here, they have an Instagram one. So I would direct message them through Instagram and just basically let them know, hey, we have an Amazon storefront. We have a product that fits the category that you typically have, your content based around and everything. We'd love the opportunity to work with you, and maybe even throw in there like, hey, we've been a longtime fan. We love your content. Kind of butter them up a little bit, and then just let them know, hey, we would love the opportunity to showcase our products on your next video or one of your upcoming videos. We're more than willing to send you the product so you can test it out, make sure it's something that you can verify is a good product and everything. If you're an experienced seller, maybe play to the fact that you have a lot of reviews, you have this, you have that. If you have some Amazon Choice badges, let them know that. If you're a brand new seller, that's okay too. Again, try to butter them up, let them know that you love their content, you've been watching it for a while. Let them know that, and they already know this, but let them know that all your products are fulfilled by Amazon. So they can get customers enjoy free 2-day Prime shipping, all that type of stuff. Whatever you have to do to really sell yourself to them. Okay. And I recommend reaching out to like 5 to 10 different ones because not every one of them is going to respond back to you. But if you can start building relationships with each one of them, you can really get the word of your product out there. And again, these people have followings of people that really listen to what they say and they really enjoy what they say. So it gives you an incredible opportunity and an incredible platform to showcase your product. And guess what? You probably don't have to pay a dime to have them do it. You might have to pay them a little bit of a fee. They may ask for it. Typically, a lot of times they're going to be fine not getting it because if their videos get enough views, like this person right here, they're going to get some money coming in from those sales that Amazon's going to pay them, where they may just say, you know what, I'm not worried about a fee. Some people might, but others might not. chances are, here's another idea for you too. One more before we go. So the smaller the channel, the less likely they are to ask for that money. So those bigger channels, they've been doing it a while. They know how to ask for the money. They know how to do that, and they also know that, they understand they have the power in that situation. They bring the big following. They have all the viewers and your potential customers right there. You're going to have to pay to play a little bit with them. You're going to have to give them a little bit of money. These smaller subscribers right here, hey, they don't have a massive following yet, and their videos are still getting pretty good views, but they don't have that massive following, so they might be more willing to play ball and just say, hey, I'll tell you what, we're fine with just getting a cut of those sales. We'll take a look at the product. If we like it, we're good to go. Let's do it. So, guys, that's the idea right there. Like I said, utilize content creators, and this video right here was all about YouTubers because they can be an incredible asset and an incredible opportunity for your Amazon business. So don't sleep on this opportunity because, again, there's not a lot of people talking about this, but there are companies out here, obviously, that have figured this out and are reaping the benefits of it. So be in that same category. You've got this figured out now. Start reaching out to those YouTubers, build those relationships with them, get on their channel, get your product out in front of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people, and start raking in some sales. And again, videos on YouTube are up there, forever, unless they get taken down for some reason by YouTube. They're up there forever. I mean, you could still be making sales on this passively 5 years down the road, So that being said, guys, that's all we got for you. Have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and we'll catch you in the next one.